we're going to take you through the process of designing your shop. This is fairly easy. The first place we'll want to go to is up here on the shop settings, and we'll click shop settings. Then we're going to go to this location here, spread shop, on your left hand side. Click that. That'll take us to this page. Now there's several things that you need to do during this process. You need to fill out your name, your shop name. And then you're going to put in a quick description. This is DJQ Morgan's merchandise store. So at this point you can put in whatever you want here. We suggest that there may be a name here already, and your URL for your file folder, which is got that slash, and we put in Q Morgan, so we're going to leave that alone. So you got your user registration that you can modify at any time. We have that in here. You have your company name. So if you have a company and you have a like a reseller's permit or a wholesaler's license, or whatever that may be, you can put that in here. Your address, zip code, country. See, one modification we need to make here. Give me a second. All right, I'm going to go down here. This says Afghanistan. This is not correct. So you're probably going to want to check and make sure that you have the right country in there. So there we go. You can put your phone number in here, your email, and you can modify this. So we're going to click that there, and then we're going to save it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to show you this area. So there's a background color that you can set on the products themselves. So you can do that, your choice. We've chosen to leave it unchecked and leave the background white. And then the permanent menu bar, we're going to check that. So when people scroll on your store, the bar stays in place. Now you can choose a color scheme. We use this color scheme here because it's standardized colors. They're generalized. They're not overbearing. But you do have some other options here that you can use as far as the color theme of the site itself. So what we're going to do is next we're going to go down to views. So you have shop categories. You can set up subcategories. You can have campaign banners running. Those are promoting what's going on Spreadshirt's main site. You don't have to do that. You can set the image size and the items per page. You also have listing mode. You want products with designs, and this setting is available on products that are displayed in your first in your shop. And then you have a design overview. So you can mess around with those to kind of get your store fine-tuned the way you want it. So we're going to go through here and look automatic product creation. I'm not big on automatic product creation, but if you are and you want to make it easy, you can. The issue here is that it automatically generates all the products, and you may not want to carry a specific product. There's a few products that I could say that are a little more adult oriented in the women's clothing line, so you probably won't want to do that. So we're definitely going to activate the social networks, because that's what we're going to use to share our product into the social networks. And then we have some other things going on here as far as the header, the HTML. This is a little more complex. We will not go into this right now. but we will go into the SEO. And you can put your webmaster ID if you have one uh, in your Google Analytics account and post that here. Now the shop integration, if you have a website, you can actually integrate the store right into your website. I prefer not to do that because some of the issues it causes with the code. However, you may choose to, and you can. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the graphics area, and this is where we're going to upload our header. And the gist of it here is this header is going to be used on the checkout. So let's find the header that we're going to use. I think it's this one there. Okay. And we're going to save and confirm that. And then we'll see the actual code for that. So what I want you to do is to grab this code, copy and paste it, Control C if you're on a PC or Command C if you're on a Mac. And then we're going to use that to paste into the actual checkout code. So now we have that there. Make sure we save it again real quick. Okay, I want to agree to this. So we got that taken care of. Now we're going to go to the checkout header and footer. And how we're going to do this is you're going to have to copy and paste this in there. And now I have to go back and get the code, the other code. So let's go back. I got to get back to the graphics. 1 second. Grab that code. I'm going to go to the checkout and footer. And we're going to place that here. So we have the code now in there. Then we're going to change this. We're going to change this to 100%. And then we're going to go ahead and you can put your checkout codes in here, your Google Analytics for your tracking codes, but we'll go ahead and save this. And then we're going to take a look at the shop by opening this here. So this is what the shop looks like. This is Q's first product. So what I'm going to show you is that you can choose a color of the shirt itself, the size. We won't go into the sharing part yet, but we will add it to the cart. We're going to add this to the cart. Flies in. So we're going to click on here and we're going to check out. So if you go back up, you're going to see the header, which just gives you Q Morgan's store header. So we got the header in there, we got the product, maybe we want to increase the amount that we want to buy. It's jumped up. So we can, you want to fill out all this info here. And they can choose the delivery time that they want. And get it gift wrapped if they want it gift wrapped. So that's the end of this particular part of the course. And the next part, we're going to take you in to show you how to market your product and share it out to social networks like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and Google+. You can also email people and let them know you have your store up. So we'll go ahead and close this out for now and see you in the next part of this course.